Hello, welcome everyone. Today we prepare for you a very simple, easy recipe that tastes good and everyone can do it. And it's a part of our series about easily digestible protein from vegetarian diet. We took 1 cup of lentils and we have them sprouted, and then 2 sweet potatoes, 8 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of sweet pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/4 teaspoon of chili. You can use spicing as you wish, and you can also use veggies as you wish. It's important because the sprouted lentils bake quite quickly, maybe 15-20 minutes. So it's important that you use veggies that will also bake quickly. So you have to make either very tiny pieces or use something that bakes quickly, like zucchini or bell peppers. At the end, we put salt on the top. And of course, the most important part of our cooking is offering to our spiritual master what we prepared for him. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,